Hey guys, today we are doing random stuff in Animal Company and with the special guest, my friend. And spending my money, which is obviously the worst part.
No, it's the best part.
Sure, whatever. Alright.
By the way, I'm like the poorest person in the game. I only have 2,186.
Sorry about that. I need to turn it upside down. But so what do we do? So we're gonna go mining first.
Yeah.
Here's a pickaxe. Here's a pickaxe. And
I'm Steve.
Boy, I am Steve. You haven't even seen the movie yet. Alright, get a bag. Get a backpack. Do you have the adventure pack?
No.
Oh my gosh. Alright, get that. Gadgets. Get a flashlight. Put on your side.
You know I don't spend my money on this game yet.
Oh, come on, dude. We're spending your money next. Here, take a flashlight.
I don't need a stupid flashlight.
And then this. Take a rocket because why not? Come on, Steve, even though you're not Steve.
A flashlight, I can just use this and put it on the side.
Alright, 3. Alright, come on.
Okay,
come on.
I need a rocket.
You don't need it, but you can. Alright, 3. Alright, just. Oh, of course I got stuck on a tree. Hang on, bro. Hold on, brother.
No, me no likey.
Yeah, I know they changed it. I think I said this in my last video, maybe, but they changed the mines.
Roof.
Well, other way.
Research point.
Doofus. Other way.
Research point.
Spider.
Okay,
Spider. I heard the sound. The freaking chicken wire sound. I think he's gonna sneak attack us this time.
I'm scared.
Me too.
Shiver me timbers, I'm gonna get bit by a spider.
Yeah, you're right.
Not POV a little kid when they get bit by a spider. Get off me!
You're being really
I would get up if I were you.
Nope, I ain't no afraid of
I hear Spooter.
Yeah, I know, I said that. Oh, Spooter Man.
I'm pretty sure he's behind.
He's behind me. Bro. Getting all the research points here.
You don't deserve these research points, I do.
Come on. Mines. Alright, so they changed it up. This is the new mines. Let me get at least 1 research point.
I just be.
Research point hog. Oh, here.
What? How many research points do you have?
I have 0. Or maybe 1. Yeah,
You spent all of them research points.
I have 1 research point, dude. Alright, I'm going in the Armstrong. I think this is the Armstrong cave. If it is, I'm going in. Oh, come on.
You're not.
Hey, camera. Come on.
I'm in lava cave.
Oh, okay, well, wait. Let me up. Dude, I swear.
I'm here.
I'm trying to get up. It won't let me. Anything I try. Wow. Finally! Where are you? Where's lava? Lava cave.
Where are you?
Coming to lava cave.
Oh my god. I see you. Come on, lava cave.
I hate lava cave, dude. Let me get some research points.
I need some. I only have 2.
I have 1. That was coins. No, dude, bro. You left me 1.
Dude, there's still so many over here.
Whatever, I'm not gonna complain.
Angie!
Angler! You might be dead.
Fight me, nerd!
Die.
Yeah, he died because I used my Oreo powers.
Give me that box.
You don't deserve it.
Doesn't matter. Wait, get these orbs. Get the orbs.
Dude, the orbs are trash.
I don't care. Worth money.
You don't need money in Animal Farm.
Yes, I do. I need money.
How much money do you have? I only have 2,268.
I have 130.2.
Yeah, 130.2.
No, my pickaxe. Okay, I still need money. I'm rich, but that doesn't feel bad.
I gotta go.
No, you don't.
One last thing. Heroes are remembered. But legends.
Wait, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave. Don't leave, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave.
I have to.
No, just die, just die. Angie fish. Well, anyways, we're gonna continue the video without him. Buckeye VR out.
I hate so